Have you ever paused to consider the sheer ingenuity that goes into the bridges and tunnels we traverse daily? How do these marvels of engineering shape our world and, more importantly, our future? Let's embark on a journey through time to the dawn of connectivity. In the vast landscapes of China, the earliest known bridges were simple, yet innovative for their time. They were mere log structures, balancing on rocks or pillars, providing a path above the rugged terrains and rushing rivers. Simultaneously, the earliest tunnels, carved by hand through mountains and beneath the earth, offered a way through where there was none. These primitive structures were the humble beginnings of a grand narrative that continues to unfold today. As centuries passed, the art of bridge and tunnel engineering evolved, driven by the human instinct to connect, to reach, to explore. The simple log bridges transformed into stone arches, becoming symbols of strength and endurance. And what about those hand-carved tunnels? They evolved too, embracing brick and mortar, shaping subterranean pathways that defied the impossible. The Industrial Revolution of the 19th century marked another significant leap in this evolution. The advent of iron and steel brought forth a new era of bridge and tunnel construction. The once modest structures grew in size and complexity, spanning greater distances and delving deeper beneath the earth and sea. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the landscape of China is punctuated by some of the world's most impressive infrastructural feats. Mega bridges that arc towards the sky, subsea tunnels that traverse the depth, all testament to the relentless march of human ingenuity. These engineering marvels are more than just structures of steel and concrete. They are arteries of connectivity, linking people, places, and possibilities. They are symbols of progress, of man's indomitable spirit to overcome geographic challenges, to make the world a smaller, more connected place. As we move forward in time, the advancements in bridge and tunnel engineering become increasingly remarkable, mirroring the relentless march of human ingenuity. China's landscape is dotted with bridges that seem to defy gravity, reaching for the sky as if to touch the heavens. Let's take a closer look at two of these engineering marvels. The Danyang-Kunshan Grand Bridge, the world's longest, stretches an astonishing 164 kilometers. It's a testament to human ingenuity, built to withstand the challenges of a harsh environment, from unstable marshlands to the active Shanghai-Nanjing Railway. Next is the Shihumen Bridge, the world's second longest suspension bridge. With its main span reaching an impressive 2,664 meters, it stands as a symbol of resilience. Constructed in a region known for its high winds and strong tidal forces, the Shihumen Bridge showcases the genius of engineering innovation. These sky-high wonders are a testament to the boundless potential of human creativity and engineering prowess. They not only bridge distances but also connect possibilities, propelling us into a future where the sky is truly the limit. But not all marvels of engineering are visible to the naked eye. Some lie beneath the surface, hidden from view. As we delve into China's subterranean journeys, we're met with a labyrinth of subsea tunnels and underground passages, each a testament to the nation's engineering prowess. Building beneath the Earth's surface presents a unique set of challenges. There's the relentless pressure of tons of earth overhead, the unpredictable nature of the terrain, and the ever-present threat of water ingress. Yet, China's engineers have risen to the occasion, employing state-of-the-art technology and innovative construction methods to navigate these obstacles. From the mesmerizing Guangzhou metro tunnels weaving under the bustling city to the awe-inspiring Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge's undersea passage, each subterranean wonder is a solution to a complex puzzle. They connect regions, foster seamless transportation, and quite literally break new ground in the field of engineering. These subterranean journeys remind us that sometimes the path to progress lies not above but beneath us. As we look to the future, what can we expect from the world of bridge and tunnel engineering? Let's fast forward a few years and imagine a world where bridges and tunnels are no longer mere connectors, but lifelines of global connectivity. The horizon of China's infrastructure innovation is studded with upcoming projects that promise to redefine connectivity as we know it. First, let's talk about the Huangpu River Bridge, an ambitious project set to be one of the longest suspension bridges in the world. But it's not just the length that's impressive. This mega bridge is designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, ensuring a seamless travel experience for millions. Then there's the proposed Bohai Strait Tunnel, a marvel of engineering that aims to connect the Liaodong and Shandong peninsulas. This gargantuan project, once completed, will be the longest undersea tunnel in the world, far surpassing the current record holder, the Channel Tunnel. These future bridges and tunnels are expected to play a pivotal role in local and global connectivity. They're not just about getting from point A to point B. They're about fostering economic development, promoting tourism, and facilitating cultural exchanges. They're about creating a world where distance is not a barrier, but a bridge to endless possibilities. Now, none of this would be possible without innovation driving these developments. From groundbreaking construction techniques to innovative designs, the future of bridge and tunnel engineering is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Take the Huangpu River Bridge, for example. Its design incorporates advanced aerodynamic stabilization features to resist typhoon force winds, ensuring its longevity and safety. On the other hand, the Bohai Strait Tunnel project plans to use a combination of tunnel boring machines and immersed tube methods, a testament to the adaptability and ingenuity of modern engineering. But it's not just about the techniques and designs, it's also about material innovation. The use of high-performance concrete, corrosion-resistant steel, and other advanced materials is expected to enhance the durability and sustainability of these structures, ensuring they stand the test of time and the harsh elements of nature. And let's not forget about the role of digital technology. From the use of building information modeling, BIM, in the design phase to the integration of smart sensors for real-time monitoring and maintenance, the future of bridge and tunnel engineering is intertwined with the rise of digital innovation. In conclusion, the future of bridges and tunnels is a future of endless possibilities. It's a future where engineering marvels connect not just cities and provinces, but cultures, economies, and people. It's a future where innovation, resilience, and connectivity go hand in hand. As we stand on the brink of a new era of connectivity, one thing is clear. The future of bridges and tunnels is as promising as it is exciting.